Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alizan, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, January 5th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart, and wow! Another update we're having on the Q's today, and look what happened here. We're making a new high, which is at the 55.76 mark. Wow, that's amazing. Things are happening in here, and we are still bullish. According to this chart, actually, what it is that we're still above that 8 moving average that we kept talking about, and we've been talking about it for quite a while here now, and we are still above it, which is indicating that we're still bullish. And we keep breaking through all major areas of resistance on their way up. And check this out. We even broke through the high of let's see what day it was, January 3rd. That was a Monday. We even broke that high and closed above it, so which is still indicating that we're still going up. And that high was at the 55.69 mark, which I have marked on my chart. So we broke through it and closed above it, making a new high. So we're still going up. And check this out. We're about to cross over on the MACD, which would be a confirmation. If we crossed over on the MACD and pointed higher, pointed north on the MACD, and we're still going up on the chart on the Qs, we would have a really nice confirmation. But would you just get into the upside right now at this point in time? Absolutely not. We would need to wait for a little bit of a pullback, even to that support area right here that I have on my chart, this thick black trend line, which is acting as a pretty major area of support right now, or even to that 8 moving average, which is drawn in green on the chart. So we could have a little bit of a pullback to the downside, and then if we wanted to play to the upside again, we'll have to wait for that pullback to happen and look for confirmation with the MACD. Always pay attention to the MACD and play what you see. So that's for now. And what we need to pay really close attention to tomorrow is that high of today at the 55.76 mark. So move that little trend line right here a little bit to the upside so that we have that high already marked. So that was 55.76. There we go. Just move it higher a little bit and watch it really closely tomorrow to see if we're going to continue to the upside, if it's not just a fake out. So pay really close attention to that, as well as pay close attention to the low of yesterday, which is at the 55, let's see what it was. It was at 54.92. So pay really close attention to that, because as you can see, it's sitting right at the 8 moving average. It is a pretty major area of support to watch for. So what else we do see here? We are forming a little bit of a high base right now on the Q's daily chart. So we'll have to pay really close attention to that high of today, 55.76, as well as the low of yesterday, which was at the 54.92. And listen very carefully, pay really close attention to the MACD and look for a confirmation. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.